Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably staring at that frustrating error code 10 on your Rinnai Tankless water heater, especially with the 2025 models. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through what this means and how to fix it step by step. Let's dive in. First off, error code 10 on a Rinnai Tankless water heater usually signals an ignition failure. This could be due to issues like a faulty igniter, problems with the gas supply, or even a buildup of debris in the burner. It's a common error, but the good news is that it's often fixable without calling in a pro right away. You might be wondering why this happens. Well, tankless heaters work by rapidly heating water on demand, and if the ignition system doesn't kick in, the unit shuts down to prevent hazards. To troubleshoot, start by checking your gas supply. Make sure the gas valve is fully open and that there's no interruption in the gas line. Next, inspect the igniter for any visible damage or dirt. Clean it gently with a soft brush if needed, but remember to turn off the power and gas first for safety. Reset the unit by unplugging it for a few minutes or flipping the breaker. This can clear temporary glitches. If you're comfortable, check the flame rod or sensor for proper positioning and cleanliness. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it might be a more complex problem like a faulty control board or a blocked vent. In that case, it's time to call a certified technician to avoid any risks. Always prioritize safety. Work in a well-ventilated area and wear protective gear. There you have it. By following these tips, you should be back to enjoying endless hot water in no time. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home repair guides. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.